Hey everybody, and welcome back to Epic Specials. In this video I'm going to be restoring the headlights for my Nissan Cube. I've already done one, so I'm going to show you the process of how I did that on the second. So let's get going. So to start with, I had to remove this film from my headlight, which had turned yellow and discoloured over time. Once the film was off, I was left with a sticky residue from the glue, so I cleaned this off using some thinners. Once the glue was cleaned off, using a razor blade I scraped off the top layer of contaminated plastic from the headlight. Once I'd finished with this, I moved on to 240 grit wet and dry, and I sanded the entire headlight until all the contamination was off and I was left with a smooth finish. I then moved on to 800 grit wet and dry to remove all the scratches from the 240. I went over the headlight several times until all the scratches were removed and it was left nice and smooth. After the 800 grit wet and dry paper, I moved on to a cutting compound on a polishing mop on my drill. I did several passes over the headlight until all the scratches from the 800 grit were removed and the headlight was nice and shiny. I then finished off with some resin polish just on a rag and gave the headlight a good buff. And that's the finished results, much better than it started and nice and clear. Unfortunately, I have got some crazing in the headlights which I can't remove, but they're definitely a huge improvement over how they were before. Thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye bye.